something that we have to overcome a lot is the fear from staff that like our tools are going to replace their jobs. If there's a bereavement coordinator who that's like a lot of their job is stuffing envelopes, let's say, or sending out communications, it's a real fear. I love to ask this. If you could do anything with your free time, what would you do? And there's a lot of bereavement leaders and coordinators that are so creative. Like the other day, somebody said, well, if I had more time, I'd go into our referral sources and I'd actually run a support group for the staff because they're dealing with grief and loss all the time. They have people that they really connect with that they lose. And it would be such a value add. And if I had more time, I would love to be able to support them.
See, breathing room.
I was like,
breathing room.
I was like, that's such a great idea. And it's a perfect example where it's like, we're just giving you the opportunity to to do exactly what you want to do, which is help people. Right. And like, I'm sorry, but stuffing envelopes and charting is like not really helping anyone.